how to cancel an order on Amazon AU. So it's like really easy. All you need to do is get into your Amazon and make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here you can simply see this is your homepage, right? Then from here tap on U icon right here, then tap on orders in order to view all of your orders. Then from here what you're going to do in order to cancel is select the exact item or look for the exact item you want to cancel. Then after doing that, here you'll be able to click on cancel items if that item hasn't been shipped yet. So all you need to do is simply tap on cancel item, then you can check the boxes next to the item you wish to cancel, select an optional reason for cancellation, then click on cancel selected items in this order. So in here you have to know that if it has already been shipped, you must wait for the delivery and request a return instead. So you cannot just cancel the items if it has already been shipped. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.